It's Friday. It needs to stay Friday. I'm declaring that it will be Friday forever and ever. This week's been a bit of a shit show. I had a couple days off from work, but I was forced to take an extra day for some shit that hit the fan. I'm hoping things will be okay. I may or may not share those personal details, but I'm back in the saddle. The past couple days, man, I've been really loving my smoker, my kitchen. Oh God, poor Market Basket. They've been stuck seeing me almost every day. All the workers are like, "Oh, you're back to work?" "Yep, I'm back to work. How you doing?" "You came back yesterday and now you're here today? What gives?" They're ready to punch me in, I swear to God. So, the revamp on the main website has been done behind the scenes. I will give Wix another try because I had a great conversation with them over how shitty a process it is with feeling like you need a degree to learn their language. And then they revamp the site and then you have to find shit all over again. So it's been like, really guys, give me a chance to do what I gotta do. But they were awesome. So that site is about 90% done. The other 10%, I need to get a merchant that I can work with that's not going to rate me blind on rates, which we all know they tend to do anyway, but I want to look for one that's a lot more reasonable than I'm finding lately. And the recipes, so I have declared they are being moved. They are going to a site that we're looking for a subscription for access. I am going to set up a free trial. I think that's important, always important, to at least offer something for free. And then after that, we are going to do a very reasonable subscription that will be monthly. I've been running some numbers on what is considered fair price, fair value. And I think I've got my rate locked in. But I am at about 75-80% done translating everything from Wix language to normal. That was scary. I found something normal. I'll embrace that while I can. I'm actually doing all the migrating manually because it doesn't upload correctly if I do the auto feature. It's been a little bit of a mouth here saying how shitty that was coming out, so I'm manually moving everything over. I found I had about 116, give or take, recipes so far migrated over to the new site. I'm very excited, cross-eyed, but I'm getting there. I have, looks like, I'm staring at my screen behind the phone, looks like I have maybe 15 or 16, give or take, left. And then there are some posts I'm going to make on the new site that will hit kind of in a blog format. So that's actually transitioning very well. Very much looking forward to being done with that project. I'm going nuts. Meanwhile, back at the ranch, I've been trying to locate ghost kitchens, commissary kitchens. Man, it's so difficult out there. Tried working with a company who I was really hoping they could give me something more in writing, but their site just wasn't giving it. So I think I'm going to be boiling down to one location that will be in New Hampshire. It's actually going to be close by to a dear woman out of Derry who I can't wait to see. She's been running this business for a while now. She's an amazing entrepreneur. Very fortunate to have met some really good people in this process. However, I am not caffeinated enough to continue this shit. I'm going to go back to doing what I'm doing, and then I got to hit the store. Sorry, Market Basket, I'm not punching in. No, I don't work for them. There's just poor workers that keep seeing me every damn day. But that's always fun. Okay, happy Friday. Jump on this shit, guys. Enjoy the day.